Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel PharmaChem Insights. In today's video, we will learn how to prepare zero point 0.1 normal iodine solution. This video will cover materials required to prepare zero point 0.1 normal iodine solution, calculation, procedure and standardization. So let's get started. Purpose of zero point 0.1 normal iodine solution. Zero point 0.1 normal iodine solution is widely used in iodometric titrations including sodium thiosulfate assay, vitamin C analysis, sulfite estimation and redox reaction. Now let's see the principle. Iodine is dissolved with the help of excess potassium iodide Ki because iodine alone is only slightly soluble in water. Ki forms soluble triiodide I3-, giving a stable and uniform iodine solution. Iodine acts as an oxidizing agent in redox titrations. In reaction, each molecule of iodine I2 provides two equivalents because it can accept two electrons. I2 accepts two electrons to give 2I-. So 1 mole of iodine is equal to 2 equivalents. Now let's see the calculation part. Normality is 0.1 normal. Equivalent weight of iodine. Equivalent weight of iodine is equal to molecular weight divided by 2. So molecular weight is 253.81 divided by 2 gives us 126.905 gram per equivalent. So to prepare 1 liter of 0.1 normal iodine solution, we have formula weight is equal to normality into equivalent weight into volumes in liter. So by substituting the values, normality is 0.1, equivalent weight is 126.905 into volume, that is 1 liter, we get 12.7 gram. So weight of iodine required to prepare 1 liter of 0.1 normal solution is 12.7 gram of iodine. Ki required is 36 gram for complete dissolution of iodine. Materials required. For preparing 0.1 normal iodine solution, we need chemicals, first iodine, potassium iodide Ki and purified water. Glassware we need 1 liter volumetric flask, beaker, stirring rod or magnetic stirrer, amber color bottle for light protected storage. Now let us see the step-by-step preparation procedure. First step is to dissolve Ki, weigh 36 gram of Ki, add it to a beaker with approximately 100 ml purified water, stir until completely dissolved. Step 2 is to add iodine. Weigh 12.7 gram of iodine crystals carefully. Slowly add iodine to the Ki solution. Stir until all iodine crystals dissolve. Solution becomes dark brown. See to it that all iodine crystals are dissolved because solution is very dark. Step 3 is to transfer to volumetric flasks. Transfer the entire solution to a 1000 ml volumetric flask. Rinse the beaker with water and add rinsing to the same 1000 ml volumetric flask. Step 4 is to make up the volume. Fill the flask up to 1 liter mark with purified water. Mix well by inverting the flask. Step 5 storage. Transfer the solution to an amber colored bottle to protect it from light. Label it and store in a cool dark place. Now let's see the standardization part. Standardize the solution using titrant 0.1 normal sodium thiosulfate solution, titrant 0.1 normal iodine solution. Indicator is starch solution which is added towards the endpoint of titration. Endpoint is blue to colorless. Standardization ensures the iodine solution prepared is correct. Safety precautions. Wear gloves and goggles while preparing zero point 0.1 normal iodine solution. Handle iodine carefully because it strains strongly. Prepare iodine solution under fume hood if possible. Avoid skin contact and inhalation of iodine. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide on preparing zero point 0.1 normal iodine solution. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more lab practical videos and analytical chemistry content. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.